Give me 5 minutes of your time and I will show you how to actually make money with AI tools. The most common question that I get from VAs these days is, will AI replace me? No, it won't. But I totally get it. AI moves so fast that it is genuinely hard to keep up with, let alone know which tools are actually useful versus which ones are not even relevant to our work. If you watch my channel, you know I enjoy researching AI tools. The problem is that most of what I find is either already outdated, overwhelming, or completely disconnected with our actual VA work. Plus, nobody really explains how to use those AI tools in a way that clients will actually pay for. Then I realized the real question that we should be asking isn't, is ChatGPT going to replace me? The real question is, how do I turn this AI tool into a skill, into a service, or into an income stream? So when I heard about Masterly.ai, and I want to be completely straight with you, I was totally skeptical. Masterly is a platform that teaches you the basics of AI tools. And I do mean that it will seriously take you from zero knowledge to knowing how to package and sell AI services. So after taking some Masterly courses myself, I have to admit that I am genuinely blown away by its effectiveness. Like, look at the platform. The structure in and of itself makes so much sense. You can even build a custom plan. So if you want to turn AI into side income, that's an option. Lessons within each course are 5 minutes or less. They are bite-sized, they are guided, they're project-based. So you are not just sitting through long, boring lectures, you're doing the real work and you're seeing real results as you go through the lessons. And some of the tools covered are the tools that actually matter to us right now. They're things like ChatGPT or Midjourney, automation platforms like Zapier. And again, they all come with step-by-step guidance that is genuinely easy to digest and understand. Some of the lessons even come with hands-on projects that simulate real-world AI work. And so by the time you finish a learning track, you will actually have a project or something to show for it, including a certificate. There are over 250 lessons right now. That's 80 different courses where you can get your certificate upon completion. And babe, pop those onto your LinkedIn profile. That is proof that you are not only a VA who is interested in AI, but it means you really understand how to utilize it. Here's what else that Masterly does that most platforms don't. It connects your learning directly to income. So AI content creation, automation, building chatbots, AI consulting, AI side hustles. And these skills are immediately applicable. Like, you're not just learning theory and hope that it translates. And everything that you are learning in these courses is something that clients are already paying for. I'm a huge, firm believer in earning while learning. And I love that Masterly is exactly built this way. I know I'm getting really excited right now, but it also comes with a freaking prompt library. These are really hard to find and understand. I've Googled a ton of prompt libraries before, but this one is built into your dashboard and comes with over 2,000 prompts. I am seriously geeking out about how well designed this site is. So, will AI replace assistants? No, not anytime soon. But speaking from personal experience, my clients are happier working with me, their assistant, who is familiar with AI, because it makes my work easier and more efficient. So my advice to you is this. Get ahead of AI, get skilled up and turn those skills into your most valuable offering. That is exactly what Masterly.ai is designed to help you do. So do what I did, take it for a spin. You get 7 days for free so you can really understand how this works, get to know the mechanisms, learn a skill or two. I am dropping the link to the platform in the description below. Definitely peruse their prompt library. That is all for this week, folks. You will find me back in Masterly learning how to build my own AI chatbots. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next week.